Back there, it's on you.
Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to match 11. Two of our highest power alliances now running in neck, face to face. Red Alliance currently holding the record for Premier Event scores, but the Blue Alliance has set the Michiana Premier Event high score earlier in the playoffs. It's a matter of who can churn out those most artifacts in these final moments. Blue Alliance number 2 taking a lead for the time being, but Meta, Infinity, and Ice trying to turn out some final artifacts to take back the lead, which they will. 3 seconds left to go. Final shots going off the Galactic Chickens as time expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
4-point differential coming out of the autonomous period, 101 to 97. Extremely powerful autonomouses on both sides of the field. Ice Robotics loaded up from the Red Alliance secret tunnel. Their alliance part now facing off with the Blue Alliance from Springdale, Arkansas, route -1, firing into that gate. They're trying to load up with those artifacts as best they can, but here comes Ice, snagging them away, taking advantage of these artifacts to keep on scoring. Their partners in the near field, Meta, Infinity, keeping the gate open, loading themselves up, as well as rolling artifacts down, trying to steal them away, though, decreasing the supplies, but Galactic Chickens swing right into the secret tunnel, loading up on artifacts and sending them straight to the Blue Alliance goal. Neck and neck, less than 10 points separate our alliances. 240, now 245. It's going back and forth. Less than 10-point margins on either side of the field. Ice Robotics loading up in the loading zone. 1, 2, 3 on board, heading to that far launch zone. They're running incredibly quick cycles, trying to steal away some artifacts that they can get from the Blue Alliance gate being open. Same thing on that Blue Alliance side. Stealing away these artifacts is the name of the game as Red starts coming away with it. A 40-point margin now with 45 seconds left to go. Galactic Chickens and Ice Robotics fighting a little bit for that far launch zone. Galactic Chickens trying to load up at that gate zone. Lots of artifacts spilling out on the field. They will take advantage, going to load up on artifacts. Below 30 seconds left to go. Red had a 40-point lead as we approach the final end game whistle. Still about a 50-point margin. Alliance is still flying around the field. Artifacts flying in at incredible speed. We are seeing teams fly up high. Ice Robotics already above 489. We might be looking at yet another Premier Event high score. 3, 2, 1, and time!
And the scores are here, and the winner is Red Alliance with a score of 589 points. This is an even high score with penalty.